another video of Veda's Fun&travels channel. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ കുറേ നാളുകൾക്ക് ശേഷം ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഇടാൻ പോകുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയുടെ ടോപ്പിക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നെർവസ് സിസ്റ്റം ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒട്ടും ടൈം വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാതെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റത്തേതാണ് നെർവസ് സിസ്റ്റം. Nervous system is the most important system in a human body. It helps sense organs to communicate and coordinate with our brain. There are three main parts which institute a nervous system: brain, spinal cord and nerves. First is the brain. The brain is made up of very special tiny units called as nerves. The brain is divided into three parts, which is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the largest part in our brain, and the different regions of cerebrum controls different functions like thinking, hearing, tasting and etc. And cerebrum also decides should we do that action or not. Next is cerebellum. Cerebellum is an egg-like shaped kind of thing in the down portion of your cerebrum, and it is in the back of your head. Cerebrum controls the movements of our body with cerebrum, and cerebellum also keeps balance of our body. Next is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is shaped like a stem, starts from the base of our brain to our spinal cord. It also controls involuntary actions such as heartbeats and breathing. And medulla oblongata also works when you're sleeping. Next is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is shaped like a tube. It starts from the medulla oblongata and goes till the lower end of your backbone. It has an enclosed thick cord which protects our backbone or the spinal cord. And do you know there are some actions in our body which is not controlled by brain? These actions are called as reflex actions. Spinal cord directly controls the action before any further injuries. Next is nerves. What are nerves? I told you in the beginning itself, nerves are some special tiny units present in our body which help you to feel or taste something. So the nerves are divided into three parts: the sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves are nothing but the nerves which are present in your sensoring organs or sense organs, which take the message from the sense organs to your brain, which the messages are mainly about temperature, hot, cold, touch, pain and etc. Next is motor nerves. Motor nerves carry command from our brain and spinal cord to different muscles in our sense organs, which make the muscles smooth. Next is mixed nerves. There are some nerves in our body which can carry messages from the sense organs and as well as take messages from our spinal cord or brain and send it to our muscles. These nerves are called as mixed nerves. These nerves are mainly present in our brain and spinal cord. Next is reflex action. I told you in the beginning, reflex action are nothing but the actions which are controlled by our spinal cord. Spinal cord directly controls the action before any further injuries. Next are sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So let's take a tour on different sense organs. First is our eyes. If you want to see your favorite cartoon, TV shows or etc., whatever it is, you need your eyes. Your eyes help us to see. So first is eyelids. They cover our eyes when you sleep or blink. Next is eyelashes. Eyelashes protect your eyes from dust and dirt. Next is pupil. Pupil is a black circle in which it helps the light to enter our eyes. Next is iris. Iris is a colored part around our pupil. Next is cornea. Cornea is a front portion and a transparent portion of your eyes in which it protects our pupil and iris. Next is retina. Retina is the inner border of your eyes in which images are formed. Next is optic nerves. Optic nerves are the nerves which are connected from your eye to the brain. Eyes are like a camera capturing everything you see. So these optic nerves take these images and retina forms these images and optic nerves takes these images to your brain. Next is sclera. Sclera is a white portion of your eyes which have a mucus kind of thing, which is like a water kind of thing in it, which lubricates your eyes from drying off. Next is eye lenses. Eye lenses are mainly focused on light which helps the retina to form its images. Next is eardrums. Eardrums are divided into three parts: the outer ear, the mid ear and the inner ear. So when you hear a favorite song, the waves goes through the small hole which is present in your outer ear and enters the mid ear, in which there is eardrum. So these waves hit the eardrum and the eardrum strikes like a tabla, and these waves passes to your inner ear where there are small kind of veins present in it which are connected to the brain. So these waves goes through these veins and goes to your brain. This is how you hear your favorite song. Next is nose. So if you want to smell your favorite food, you need your nose. But there are some endings in your nose which help you to smell these. These endings are called as nerve endings. So when you smell your favorite food, these nerve endings take the smell and go and passes the smell to your brain. This is how you smell your favorite food. So when you're getting cold or sick, your nose gets blocked. This is because the mucus kind of thing gets stuck in your nerve endings and it gets blocked. Next is tongue. So you got a favorite food, but now you want to taste it. How do you taste it? With your tongue. But there are some things in your tongue which help you to taste. These are called as taste buds. Taste buds are formed because some nerve endings are clustered each other and make very tiny nerve muscles which are ordered to make taste buds. So there are five kind of taste which you could differentiate. One is sweet, sour, salty, bitter and spicy. So salty is in the tip of your tongue and sour is in between of your tongue, in the sides of your tongue, and salty is in the correct tip of your tongue, and bitter is in the back of your tongue, and spice is in middle of your tongue. Next is skin. If somebody asks you which is the largest sense organ in your body, you should answer skin. Everybody knows that. But do you know how can skin help us to feel soft or hard or hot things? It is because nerves. There are a lot of nerves present in our skin which help us to feel soft or hard or heat things. And as well as think about a body without skin. What will happen? Our muscles, our inner organs will be not in place. Skin holds our muscles, inner organs in place and even protect our body from diseases and viruses. So, അപ്പോൾ ഇത്ര ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ വേറൊരു വീഡിയോ